Hey, did you know that you could be making some decent amount of money by just doing some simple task online? And when I say that simple task, no skills is required, no experience is required. All you need is uploading and uploading what you've got. No need to create new content or anything. All you need is to upload. And come on, how upload what? Yeah, this is it. You've got your note, you did this course, or you did this particular course, maybe in the business field, medicine, law, whatever field that you did study. I'm pretty sure that you've got your own note somewhere, and maybe sometimes you feel like, what will I be doing with all these notes? These notes can actually earn you some good and decent amount of money. And when I say some good and decent amount of money, this could be more than $200 a week. Whoa, come on. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Monica, and guys, in our today's video I'll be taking you through how you can earn money more than $200 online by just uploading your own notes, quizzes, tests, etc. So stay with me until the very end to get this and many more. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and share. This platform can actually make you more than $200 a week. Come on, it isn't that much, but it is some decent amount of money, and this is per week. So in a month you could be having probably around $800. Whoa, and you are doing just uploading. It's not difficult. It will only take you some few minutes, and then you are good to go. And the platform is here. This is studypool.com. I'm pretty sure that most of you know studypool.com as a platform where you offer some tutor services, or students get some tutor services from this platform. In the same platform, they have introduced a new segment where one can sell their old documents. For example, you could be having some past papers, some quizzes, your past notes, that is the lecture notes, exams in any language, and you can do this from any country or wherever you are globally. So this is a new platform, and you can earn some coin from this. Okay, and come to think about this, studypool.com is well known for offering the tutor services, of course at a fee, not free, but they have introduced a new segment. So make sure you take advantage of this segment and make the best out of it. And so come to think about it, how does this work, or how does it work? So guys, the very first thing that we need to do, we need to go to www.studypool.com. Then from there, we come to study pool. As we have said, like study pool, you see it said like 24/7 study help, get help with question from verified tutors. This is what we have said, that it is often known for helping students to get some help from tutors. So, but then we are not here for that. So we are here for something else. Come here, we've got study tools, and then here we have sell docs. This is where we are going to go. Then from there, they say earn money by selling study documents, earn up to $5,000 a month. We share your documents with tens of millions of students. You get up to $10 every time a new student views one. Wow. And you also see something else. We accept documents in all languages. This is so amazing, so amazing. So you can see the procedure of how the entire process works. You can see they say you upload the document, and this document could be upload class notes, old homework, exam, quiz prep, and zip files. Then you get approved. Our system reviews and approves uploaded document for quality, then viewed by students. Tens of millions of students search and have access to your document. This is amazing too. Then earn money. You can earn up to 10 for every time a student views your document. That is so amazing. Yeah. For example, you can see they are saying something here. These are the recent top selling documents. They've got introduction to terminology and body organization study guide. It's a 9-page whatever document. And then it has the time sold is 734. Jeez. And then this person have been able to acquire 4,404. Amazing. Algebra, someone else too have been able to acquire 303 and 360. So just try to imagine this. Once you upload one of your documents, you have an opportunity of maybe selling this document 600 times or maybe 1,000 times. You never know. We've got medical surgical nursing notes. This one is sold at 42 times. And then this person has acquired 336. And this is just for one particular, the particular note or the particular document. Imagine you uploading so many documents and then you are going to be able to get all this. So there it is. Then here there is, I'm so happy I came across this opportunity. It's very easy to upload document to the site. The only thing I have to worry about is being my last year of college. I constantly uploading every week, which has really been the key driver to my earning. At this point, earning a couple of hundred extra dollars a month passively has helped me match with my college expenses. Wow, wow. This is so nice. This is so nice. So there it is. And then so assume you already have the note. I haven't yet prepared mine. We can go on to start selling. And then what do they say? You are supposed to log in or sign up. If you have an account, you'll go to login, put your email and a username. If you do not have that, you're gonna go to the option of signing up and then eventually come here and create your account. It's as simple as that. Start earning today. Hey! I'm pretty sure that you might be seated somewhere and maybe you are wondering, how sure am I that my documents or my note or my lecture notes or my quizzes or my past papers, they gonna be helpful? No need for you to worry, because you need to do is just upload, and within 2 to 24 hours you've got the answer from the management or the admin, and they're gonna give you feedback on whether your paper or whatever your notes, paper or quizzes, they were successful or they were approved. So no need to worry, just upload them and then you're gonna sit back to it. And in this case, on every document that you upload, you have an opportunity to earn up to a maximum of $10. So come to think about it, how many notes do you have in your house? How many notes have you kept? Your class notes have you kept? Come to think about it, you went to the university and maybe you went for 4 years, for 2 years, for 3 years, and you've got plenty and plenty of notes. I'm trying to think about it because I have plenty and plenty of notes in my house, and well, these ones can earn me some good amount of money. So the next question here comes, how are you going to make sure that you're going to earn more than $200 a week? This is it. All you need to do is upload and upload and upload more notes or quizzes or past paper, whatever you have. You need to upload more and more of this. And the good thing with this is this. Studypoll.com, they do offer tutoring services to students. So the thing is, you could upload one document and maybe this one particular document is gonna, you're gonna get more students buying this, maybe 10 students, 20 students who needs these notes to assist them in their studies. So each and every time they buy, you get a chance to earn more. And the only time you're gonna earn more is for you uploading the different notes you have, the different documents you have, for you to maximize your earning. And it's so simple because, well, you do not need to spend a lot of time just sitting down and uploading your notes. You've got them, just upload them. It doesn't matter whether they're handwritten or typed or whatever they are, just upload them. And someone might be like, why is this money coming from? Because every time that we go to the online platform and we think, we have so many platforms which people keep on advertising, they're earning money, but the question that comes out or pops up is why, or how are you going to earn this money, or why are you earning this money? The reason is, studypoll.com, as it is well known, it offers some services or some tutoring services to students, and some of these students need this content, some of these students need this information to help them in their studies. So your note, your lecture note, your test, your quizzes, your past papers gonna help them a lot in their schoolwork. So that is how it goes. And these students gonna pay for the notes, the services, whatever it is, whatever document, they're gonna pay for this document, whatever document that you want to upload. And someone else might bring up the question, like, how do you get paid? How do you get paid? One of the amazing things about this platform is that they have provided varieties of ways in which you can get paid. Come to think about it, they have PayPal, they've got Pioneer, they've got even M-Pesa. Whoa, come on. That's why I've said you can work on this platform from wherever you are globally. They have created so many. They've made even the payment option to be so convenient. So make sure you take advantage of this and maximize on it. I'm pretty sure you have got a lot of notes piling somewhere. A lot of notes, a lot of past papers, quizzes, and you can actually earn something from this. Guys, I want to know in the comment section. Make sure you try this and let me know in the comment section how much did you earn, or how was the experience. Did you get something out of it? Please make sure try this and come back on my comment section and give us the feedback on your experience. By you uploading your documents on this platform, it's very much helpful, because one, it does help with the students as they undertake their course and also their revision, and secondly, you also have an opportunity to earn something in return. So it's a win-win situation. So that is it, and guys, we'll be coming back with many more videos on how you can earn online. Bye bye. Thank you, and make sure you like the video and subscribe.